Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is very exciting because I've been wanting to film this video for a long time and the time is right now. So anyways, so you guys can see already in the title and by the thumbnail, it's gonna be how I style jeans, mom jeans, regular jeans. I don't have a skinny jeans, but I have a few of my favorite jeans right here. So I'm excited so I can finally show you guys what has been my favorite jeans as of the moment. So I have like I have four jeans as of the moment. So let's start with, I feel like some of these are just like basically like mom jeans. So this one is, I got it thrifted a year or two ago and it's from LL Bean, and honestly, who would have thought that I thrifted this? It's like I would say the perfect mom jeans, a very good quality, and I've been loving this. And then of course I have this is like the blue wash jeans. This is the light wash jeans from Zara, and I honestly love this. I freaking love this jeans. This is from Zara. The difference between the Zara ones and the LL Bean, the one that I thrifted, is this is a light blue and this is like a blue, like a little bit like darker, not darker, but like a little bit blue than this one. And then the next pair of jeans that I feel like every girl should have in their closet is a pair of black jeans, and this is also a mom jeans. I feel like I graduated with skinny jeans already. I mean, I still wear skinny jeans, but I don't know, I'm like mom jeans type of girl now. So anyways, this is from the brand Martens. And the way I styled them is very, I mean, you can never go wrong with having like the staple piece like this mom jeans or black pair of pants, denim pants. I feel like you should have that at least in your closet by now, like a staple piece is like, you know, like these jeans. But anyways, this is the jeans that they sent me, and they also sent me two other stuff which is I'll be trying as well. And the last pair, this will be shocking because this is from Forever 21 and I freaking love this pants as well. I wore this a couple of times and I think I got this a year ago. Yeah, I think I got this a year ago, and I love the distress the end, so that's what I love about this pants. And if you want to know how I style these jeans, then keep on watching.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not
Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. And if you guys are wondering on the pieces that I featured on today's video, don't worry because I'm gonna try to leave them on my description box below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys are interested on the mud and bow pieces that I worn today, I'm gonna put them on my description box below so you guys can check it out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.